The morning shift had just begun, and everything seemed normal. The security guard walked toward the entrance to close the large metal gate. As he slid the heavy door along its track, the worn-out wheels struggled to move properly after years of constant use. Just seconds before the gate was fully closed, a harsh scraping sound echoed through the area. Without warning, the massive metal gate tilted and collapsed toward the guard. Tragically, he had no time to escape the full weight of the falling structure. Heavy gates like these must be inspected regularly, including their track systems, wheels, connection points, and load-bearing components. Manuel, 53, had spent years filling steel cylinders using valves and hoses. It was a routine task he had done countless times before. One day, after securing a cylinder and connecting the equipment, he began the filling process as usual. But there was one critical detail he didn't notice. The bottom of the cylinder had become severely rusted over time. Unable to handle the intense pressure, the cylinder suddenly launched into the air with tremendous force. Thick steam quickly filled the area. Fortunately, Manuel managed to escape without serious injuries. Do you think this accident happened because of carelessness or because the equipment was too old? Before filling any cylinder, always inspect it carefully for rust, dents, or cracked welds. Never begin the process without a full safety check, especially when dealing with old or corroded equipment. The woman working in the kitchen was trying to handle several tasks at the same time during a busy shift. While answering orders through her headset, she continued operating the food processor in front of her. Since this had become part of her daily routine, she barely had to think about it anymore. But when she suddenly turned toward a noise behind her, her long hair became caught in the machine. Within seconds, the food processor started pulling her hair inside. Thankfully, a coworker nearby noticed what was happening and rushed over to help before the situation became even worse. If you work near moving machinery, always keep long hair tied back and avoid loose clothing that could get caught in the equipment. Two workers were talking near a large roller machine while operations were still ongoing. During the conversation, one of the workers standing on the machine completely lost focus. Distracted for just a moment, he accidentally activated the system while still on top of the roller. The machine suddenly began spinning, throwing him to the ground. Nearby workers reacted immediately and shut the machine down before the situation became more serious. Fortunately, the worker survived with only minor injuries. Stay away from hazardous areas and never climb onto active machinery. Always make sure equipment is properly locked out and de-energized before working near it. Avoid distractions and unnecessary conversations while operating dangerous machines. Routine operations were underway inside the massive steel plant. Furnaces burned intensely, and heavy machinery continued running throughout the facility. Then, within seconds, a huge explosion shook the entire plant. The blast was so powerful that nearby metal structures trembled violently. Workers ran in panic as emergency alarms echoed through the building. Thick smoke quickly spread through the area under extreme heat and pressure. The situation had turned critical in an instant. Out of these first 5 accidents, which one do you think was the most dangerous? Investigators later discovered that a critical failure had occurred in equipment operating under extremely high temperatures. Facilities that work under intense heat and pressure must perform regular inspections and maintenance. Any leaks or weaknesses in gas lines, valves, or pressure systems should be detected immediately before they turn into disasters. A worker was walking along an empty road in the evening while a loaded forklift approached from behind. The load being carried had almost completely blocked the operator's view ahead. Since the worker never noticed the forklift coming closer, he continued walking in the same direction. Within seconds, the forklift struck him from behind. Although the operator slammed on the brakes moments later, it was already too late. Never walk or stand in active forklift zones. If you operate a forklift, always make sure your line of sight is clear before moving. Drive at controlled speeds and stay especially alert near corners, intersections, and blind spots. Large sheet metal panels were being bent inside the workshop, but the method being used was extremely unsafe. The workers had tied a rope to the metal sheet and were trying to bend it by pulling with force. No matter how hard they tried, the panel wouldn't move. Eventually, one of the workers climbed onto the sheet metal, hoping his body weight would help bend it further. But only moments later, the metal suddenly split apart under the pressure. The worker instantly crashed to the ground. Never attempt to bend large metal sheets using only physical force. Always use the proper machinery designed for the job. In addition, avoid standing or climbing on large sheet metal surfaces. Life on the street was continuing as usual. People walked along the sidewalk while maintenance work was being carried out nearby. A scaffold had been placed against the side of a building, and a worker was painting the upper section of the wall. But there was a serious safety issue. The work area was too high, and the scaffold itself wasn't tall enough. To reach higher, the worker had placed an extra ladder on top of the scaffold. Just as he took another step, the scaffold suddenly rolled backward because its wheels had not been locked. At the same moment, the ladder lost balance, causing the worker to fall. Fortunately, the incident did not end in something even worse. When working at heights, always create a safe and professional work environment. Make sure scaffolding systems are stable, wheel locks are secured, and load limits are never exceeded. A man climbed onto the railing of a tall staircase and prepared to slide down it. At first, it seemed like a harmless and fun idea, but within seconds, the situation spiraled out of control. The moment he pushed himself forward, he lost his balance and fell directly into the stairwell below. What started as a simple stunt suddenly became extremely dangerous. Never use stair railings for sliding or playing. Metal surfaces can be far more slippery than they appear and may cause you to lose balance instantly. A few seconds of fun can lead to life-changing injuries. Two workers were standing dangerously close to unguarded rotating rollers while talking to each other. During the conversation, one of the workers moved too close to the machine. Seconds later, the loose sleeve of his clothing became caught in the rotating system, and he was violently pulled inward. The incident happened so fast that the other worker barely understood what had occurred. After watching the full video, what do you think was the main cause of the accident? Human error or inadequate safety systems? Avoid standing too close to rotating machinery. If you work near roller systems, wear fitted clothing instead of loose garments. Most importantly, all moving parts should always be protected with proper safety barriers.